Alright, welcome back to the second part of the unboxing for the Creality 3D, the LD001 series 3D printer. And what I didn't know was that once you open up the printer, there's actually more things inside. And that would be the build plate is hidden in there. There you have it. It's actually quite similar to the one that comes on the Monoprice Mini SLA, and hopefully it will be good. There's a bunch of screws that come in there as well, which we won't fiddle with, but yeah, there you have it. And this is a metal plate. Then on the inside of this box here, we have two masks. And the things that I didn't talk about before is I found out they have gloves. There's this kind of strainer here. I think there's two. That allows you to put the resin back into the little flask or little containers. There's this paintbrush, which I don't know what that's for. This spatula is metal, and this one is plastic. And that's pretty much it, really. I like that they've set up the printer with a flash drive instead of the micro SD cards so that you can print stuff. And there we go. You can find out where it was built and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video.